Hello there, my friends. Franklin Green here, your one and only money frog, dressed sharp and ready to leap with you into a world of financial success. Welcome to the Money Frog. This is the channel where we make personal finance simple, investing exciting, and wealth building achievable, no matter where you're starting from. Whether you're a beginner wondering how to take your first step or someone looking to fine-tune your financial strategies, this channel is your guide. Together, we'll hop over obstacles, dodge financial pitfalls, and leap toward a brighter financial future. Who is Franklin Green? I'm not just your friendly frog in a suit. I'm your financial partner, your money mentor, and your biggest supporter on this journey. I know that talking about money can sometimes feel overwhelming or even boring, but that's exactly why I'm here. My mission is to simplify complex financial concepts, motivate you with practical tips, and give you the confidence to take control of your finances. With the Money Frog, you'll get clear, actionable advice that actually works, delivered with a smile and a little bit of froggy charm. What can you expect from this channel? Here on the Money Frog, we're all about breaking down the big ideas into easy, manageable steps. Let me give you a taste of what's to come. Personal finance basics. Learn how to create a budget that works for you, save for emergencies, and cut unnecessary expenses without sacrificing what you love. Investing made easy. Discover how to open an investment account, build a diversified portfolio, and understand key terms like stocks, bonds, and ETFs. Money mindset and motivation. Build a winning attitude toward money. Overcome bad financial habits and stay motivated on your path to financial independence. Financial challenges. Fun, interactive challenges to help you save more, spend smarter, and grow your wealth faster. Exclusive series. Stay tuned for Franklin's Golden Tips, where I share bite-sized wisdom to help you make smarter money moves. And that's just the beginning. My goal is to make finance approachable and, yes, even fun. Because taking control of your money shouldn't feel like a chore. It should feel like the start of something exciting. What's coming next? Now, let's talk about what's on the horizon for this channel. In the coming weeks, I'll be releasing videos that will help you tackle some of the most pressing financial questions. How to build a simple monthly budget. Learn the step-by-step process to create a budget that fits your life and goals. The power of compound interest. Discover how to make your money work for you and grow over time. Common financial mistakes to avoid. Identify and steer clear of the traps that hold most people back. Easy ways to save money on energy bills. Practical tips to keep more cash in your pocket every month. How to open an investment account in 2025. A complete guide to getting started with investing in the new year. These are just a few of the topics we'll cover together. And don't worry, each video will be packed with clear advice, real-world examples, and actionable steps you can take immediately. Why subscribe to the Money Frog? Here's the thing. Financial freedom doesn't happen overnight, but it does happen when you take consistent, intentional steps toward your goals. That's exactly what this channel is here to help you do. By subscribing to the Money Frog, you're joining a community of smart, savvy individuals who are committed to building better financial futures. You'll get regular videos filled with insights, strategies, and inspiration to keep you on track, and you'll have fun while doing it. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and let's start this journey together. Whether you're dreaming of buying your first home, retiring early, or simply gaining control over your finances, I'm here to help you every hop of the way. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with one of Franklin's golden tips. Financial success isn't about how much you make, it's about how well you manage what you have. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your efforts compound over time. This is just one of many golden nuggets you'll find on this channel. Stick around, and you'll learn how to turn these simple ideas into powerful results. Thanks for hopping by, my friends. If you're as excited as I am about building your financial future, give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little financial inspiration. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, or in our case, a single hop. Let's take that hop together and make 2025 the year of financial growth and freedom. Stay smart, stay savvy, and keep hopping toward financial success. See you in the next video.